White dog.
Thank you, Cracker.
Get him.
Put these in the box and I send them away. Put them in the grave, lack and pop the trunk. Hey, throw them in the bag, Jack. I dig them a grave. Put a brick inside that tear rocks when I print up a page. Moving keys, I can't relate, cause I live in a cage. I throw up the A, I'll take them to school, I give them a grade. An easy E for effort, that's WWA. White with an attitude, alphabet soup is on my plate. All I got is these, they sleeping on me, I can't get them away. I spoon feed them a sound in the room for the deceivers and clowns who believe in making it rain, cause all they see is the clouds. And I watch from the couch of the VIP like a potato with a bunch of meatheads like it. I just feed them a cow. Plenty of white boys to pick from this year. But before you pick a pepper, you better pick up your heater. Cause even Peter Piper can pick up a mic. But what it's like to pick a fight with me is like putting Nikes on a cheetah. Better speed up. Or at least in my case, Adidas. I'm out this drinking Sprite by the 2-liter. Holler. Shady Records.
Now I need the scratch to give me amp.
Wait. Okay, go.
Yeah. I'm about to get him.
Wait.
I'm about to get him right.
Okay.
Let me get him. Yo, say I'm from the new school. I'ma say check your tone and watch your mouth. If they teaching how to Dougie, I'm condoning dropping out. Forced a while, y'all birthed me and gave me up. I just perfected being hip-hop's forced a child. Now check it. Don't blame y'all for being trash fans of copping it. The radio's the crime scene, the masses are the hostages. In my youth, I throw shots. The fad was dodging it. I'm grown. I ain't watching the throne. I'm savage.